That's Lionel.
Who's that guy? That's the M3.
Lionel's happy about the M3. I saw it. Welcome to this vlog, dude. She's all clean and all dry now. Oh yes. Sweet. Hell yeah. BMW's at work, bro. My friend came to my work today, bro, with the BMW. Hell yeah. Zach's about to be here in the M3 in like any second. I've low-key been waiting a long time for this moment. Now I just gotta wait for him to pull up. Ah! Look at that. Oh. And he doesn't scrape. Oh. Oh my god. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so low. Welcome to my home, BMW. Nice to see you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what I just realized, seeing you pull up? Chance needs to lower his car.
Dude, it looks so good.
Really bad, dude. Yeah, you can definitely feel it break up. Probably getting a lean code. Gotta check that engine light. Oh, it's a diff, yeah. Automatic M3 diff with this 5-speed transmission. Oh yes. Whenever you did that first pull, yeah, I can only imagine having a really good clutch in here.
That's a traction control. That's why we didn't slip.
We're about to surprise Chance. That's Lionel.
Who's that guy? That's the M3. It's running.
Yes, bro. That was the best reaction I've ever seen.
Finally running after 6 years.
Lionel's happy about the M3. Sits on Chance's E46. Chance. Damn, son trying to kill me. Thank you, Lionel. Holy shit. What the fuck? What's going on here? How'd it turn into this? What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay.
Let's play Foursquare with it. Hey, you should still record this.